Today it's Thursday, October 16, 2025. This is Mr. Joe. I'm Mr. Joe, and here's Mr. Derek. I cannot put it because there are number plates. Go there if you want. Hi, Mr. Derek. Alright. What they have done, the guys, today? They have put the bumper, not for final, these plastic things, all everything. Headlights, it's been aligned with the fender, bumper, and so on. The brace here, the bar. Alright, the plastic trims over there, fine. And Mr. Joe, yeah, alright. Like any other time, when we are filling up a cooling system, we make a vacuum. Alright. Mr. Joe, he tried to make a vacuum and he was not holding up the vacuum. And now we put the normal water inside and we make a leak test. Mr. Joe, pressurize it, please. Is that amazing? Is that beautiful? Lovely. It's leaking from here, the tank. I don't know why, don't ask me why. Let's take it out to see why it's leaking. Now, on the vise with two rags to see. I already check it to see it's fully torqued down. I cannot go clockwise with the belt. Alright, I'm gonna lose it. Hold the. Don't put the number plate. There, yeah. There you go. There you go. Ah! Why the fuck it's leaking? What's the reason? Ah, that's the reason. Take a look at the O-ring. Put here, go close. It's fucking amazing. It's beautiful. Take a look at the end of the O-ring. Hold the tank, Mr. Joe, because I cannot put it anywhere here on the table. It's disaster, the table. Alright, 1 second. Yeah, I'm not wondering why I was leaking. It's not beautiful. How turned out the O-ring like that? Okay, let me do it with both hands and see. We might need to change the O-ring. Good luck to find this O-ring. Alright, we're gonna find out. He was leaking also this nut before, right? Yeah. Okay. Right, take two, action. This is how it's called, right? Who knows? Who gives a fuck? Pressurize this shit to see now. Looks promising. We didn't change even the O-ring. One of the reasons that we didn't change the O-ring is that because we don't have this kind of O-ring. 10 psi, leave it for 10 minutes to see if we're gonna drop down the pressure. If it doesn't drop down the pressure, then we're gonna remove the water, make a vacuum and fill it up. Alright? Yeah, check all around. It's smart. Check also from this side because it has one gasket. Alright. Alright, it was simply just putting the O-ring back in place. Lovely. Where has a leak, Mr. Joe? No, it doesn't have a leak, Mr. Joe. How the fuck has a leak this one? Why to have a leak this one? Why to have a leak this one? Why to leak from there? You know what happened earlier? You know how I cut my finger? Let me show you how I cut my finger. Oh boy. It was crying, alright? And I said, okay, I'm gonna torque it even more. I torque it more. See, guess what happened? It snapped. And then I remember, this is the bolt that has down there. Alright, this is the bolt that has down there. And then I remember that in the box, just a second, in this small box there was another fitting. And I said, okay, this fitting might be, let us say, for up, left, right or whatever. So I took that fitting and I used it. If I torque it more, I might cut also another finger. You see, nice bandage with the masking tape, amazing. Okay, I'm gonna try to torque a little bit more with the other hand to cut also the other finger to be equal. I torque it down. If I torque it more, it's gonna break the bolt like the other one. And it's still leaking. The fuck should I do now? You know what, Mr. Joe? We're gonna stop playing here. What are we gonna do? We're gonna get a stainless steel bolt with the 2 new washers and new fitting. Forget it, let's change this shit. It's not changing something. If I go a little bit more, I'm gonna crack, I'm gonna snap the bolt. Yeah, it's not sealing. And then we have another leak from here, from the gasket?
Yes.
Ah, fucking amazing. Ah, beautiful. Give me the light. So there is one metallic gasket there, over there, that obviously we didn't change it, we didn't put a new one. You see that it's dropping down here? This is from the metallic gasket that has up there. Fortunately, we haven't charged the AC system with the gas. We can remove the AC compressor from there, and then we have an access back over there, and we need a new gasket. So we need one new gasket over there, all right? And then we need a fittings. We need one fitting. We're gonna take this out. Let's remove again the coolant expansion tank once again. At least we fix the upper leak, something is that. We fix 1 out of 3. You know, I was torquing down. Come from this side. I was torquing down the thing. I stretched so much it's ready to crack. At least I'm happy I didn't crack it, because we need it as a sample. Yeah, you see, I knew it. I was expecting it. See, it's ready to snap. Where is it? Here. Yeah, because I was continuing torquing to stop the leak. It was not stopping the leak. And that's what you get. Alright. We give this as a sample to Mr. Omar to go find one. And then I think that there is inside of the box a stainless steel. I think. Yeah, looks like a stainless steel. This one is much heavier. This is much skinnier. Alright, so keep this inside. Get the stainless steel one. Supposed to be the same dimensions, probably. Looks like. All this back for the owner. Let's go back. Alright. Yeah, it fits. Okay, so check if we have any from any external wastegate, from any blow valve, from any, I don't know from where. We might find something. Let's see what we're gonna have. That's how it's gonna be. This is from external wastegate, alright? But it's not the same, the threads are short. So what I end up doing, yay, 4 washers. Not bad, take a look. It's been super torqued down by a lot. Let's see if it's gonna leak. See, with one way or the other, it's getting coolant. If, let us say in the future, it's not gonna leak, but I'm just saying, it's gonna leak some drops of coolant, nothing crazy, alright? It's not a fuel canister or something. Alright, let's test again. If we fix also this, it's gonna remaining only 1 leak from the gasket. Okay, Mr. Joe, action. PSI, eh? Let's see what the hell is going on here. You went to 10 PSI?
Yes.
Let's see. Lovely, well done, sir. It's not leaking from the... No, it's not leaking there. Okay, let's see that again. It looks dry. It looks okay so far. You don't have to keep it under pressure because it's leaking from the gasket from this side. Remove the pressure. Let's open it. Okay. To show that it has a fluid inside. Alright. Alright. Now make up the car to tell you how's the plan, Mr. Derek. We have an access on the AC lines. Yeah, we have. A little bit tricky. It's a 10 millimeters nut. Yeah, alright, fine. No, you have an access. Yeah, make it up, make it up, make it up. Make it up. Alright, Mr. Derek, what I want from you. You remove the AC compressor out, you lock the tensioner, remove the AC compressor, remove the gasket from there, okay? And then it depends what you're gonna say the owner, the customer. Either we're gonna fill it up with silicone, we're gonna spray copper, or we're gonna put a new one. It's all about the owner, alright? It's not my call, whatever he wants. I mean, ideal, we need a new gasket and to finish the story. Take it out to put on the video. Take it out to put also the gasket on the video. It's peeling away the coating and I was expecting to have a leak from there. You're gonna tell me why you put it on. Yeah, exactly. Well, why the fuck I put it on, right? No worries. You have to ask also Mr. Derek. The reservoir, but you know, now that I'm thinking, it might be my mistake. Because I might need to use, not the fitting, I might need to use the stainless steel fitting what I use. But again, I don't know if you're gonna change something. It might be my mistake. It doesn't matter because we fix it. We didn't, done, right? Yeah, we didn't charge anything the customer. What it cut my finger was this one. This is super sharp. As soon as it broke. And yeah, let's demonetize the video. Alright. Smile, graphic content. Yep. Come on, it's not that bad. It's fine. Alright? Grow the fuck up. Okay? Not a big deal. Alright, let's wait to see also the gasket. This is returning back to the customer. Here we go. It makes sense why it's leaking, right? I mean, the coating on this edge, it's missing. If it was existing, it's not gonna leak. It might leak from here. If the coating, I'm saying all the time with these gaskets, if it's peeling away the coating, use a new one. Or put a spray copper, or whatever. Now, Mr. Derek, from what I see here, can you, no, you have to slide inside, eh?
Yes.
Okay, screw it. If you have to slide inside, I cannot put a spray copper, because if we clean it, I'm gonna give you an example. If we clean all the coating, all around what it has, and it's just only the steel gasket, all right? Then I'm gonna make with spray copper, but what requires? It takes that you're gonna place it there, and as soon as you're gonna place it there, it's not allowed to move it. If you move it, the spray copper is not gonna work. And then you have to put the top one and put the bolts. In this case now, if let us say, assuming that we clean this gasket, and we spray copper the gasket, it's ready, all right? And you try to insert inside. As soon as you're gonna try to insert inside, you're gonna scratch it, and you're gonna start leaking again. Silicone sealant I don't want to use, so the only option there, for me at least, is get a new gasket, put it on. Before you put it in, see that none of the coating of this is stuck to the cylinder head or to the adapter. So take it, remove some bolts, take it a little bit more out, see that it's nice and clean the surfaces, all right? And then order one gasket, to put one new gasket, and call it a day, and to be everybody happy. Okay, the owner, he said that he doesn't want to change anything. Unfortunately, we have to change the gasket. All right. Don't remove completely all the lines. Just make a room there to see that it's nice and clean with one razor blade, with one brand new razor blade, nice and clean. You know, see that it doesn't have anything. That's nice and clean, both surfaces. One new gasket, stuff it in, everybody happy. All right, that's it. That's the end for now. Actually, there is no point to have another video, right? We already put the bumper. Okay, we fixed the leak from there. What's remaining? The bonnet's remaining and this leak. And then we put the fluids inside and finish the story. Alright, and the cables, you have to take care of these cables. If you want my opinion, change these cables.
Yeah, I'm going to change all of them.
This is like a fishing line. Yeah. Change the cables, dress it also to be a little bit better, to don't be like that. That's it. That's it. Damper pulley, we torque it down, okay. Yes, because we did it from the starter before, yeah. Alright, fine. After that, what will be remaining? The gasket, AC compressor, fixing the covers down, charging the AC, charging the cooling system, engine oil, because it does have engine oil. You didn't put the oil. You already put it?
Yeah.
Well done, sir. Nice. Amazing. Putting the bonnet, one small alignment on the bonnet to be okay, and outside. Yeah. You're not gonna start because the injectors. Yeah. That's it for now. Thank you. Over and out.